Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into the best supplements for longevity, the ones that can support you in living a longer, healthier life. While there's no magic pill for longevity, certain supplements can support your body's health as you age. Let's go over some top picks and why they might be worth adding to your routine. Number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3, found in fish oil and algae, are great for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Key factors in aging well. Aim for a high-quality fish oil supplement or look for plant-based options if you're vegan. Number 2. Vitamin D. This one is crucial. Vitamin D supports your immune system, bone health, and even mood. And because many of us don't get enough sunlight, a supplement can help keep those levels up, especially during the colder months. Number 3. B vitamins, especially B12. B vitamins support energy, brain health, and cellular repair. Vitamin B12 in particular is vital for brain function as we age and can help fight off that brain fog. Number 4. Turmeric or curcumin. Known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can protect your body against chronic diseases. Taking it in supplement form can be more effective than food alone. Just be sure it contains black pepper for better absorption. Number 5. Probiotics. A healthy gut is key for immunity, digestion, and even mood. A quality probiotic can support your microbiome, keeping your body and mind balanced. Remember, supplements are meant to supplement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. Always consult with a healthcare provider before adding new supplements to your routine, especially if you're on medication or have any health conditions. Thanks for watching Health Options 101. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living a longer, healthier life. Here's to your journey of longevity.